thing. Oh, I just got it. I literally just got that one here. Oh, okay. Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do a review of this Rosalind gel polish set that they've sent me, and this is kind of like their pink slash bluish collection, and I have tested one of these out and I will say that they do feel quite premium. They are very pigmented and kind of thick, which I like. I don't like it when polygels are too thick, but like, can we just look at this packaging for a minute? It's just so pretty. It gives me like Holo Taco kind of vibes. So yeah, this is really nice packaging, and the inside is nice and soft. It's got like this velvet kind of finish on it. Very nice. So these shades don't actually have, they're not like shade names, they're just numbers, I guess, and these are the shades, and I'm going to be swatching these for you guys. Okay, so the first one is R1065, and it's just a nice hot pink color, and you can see consistency wise it's kind of thick, not too thin. I'm just gonna swatch that here for you guys. It's like a nice Barbie pink, you know, love that. I'm not too much of a pink kind of girl, I'm more towards the cool tones like blues and purples. The next one is like a light pink, a softer light pink, and that one is R1066, and you can find these on Amazon, so I will be linking these down below. And I also want to mention that the bottles are made of glass, so they do also feel very premium, and they are 10 ml as well. This one is R1073, and it's just a nice lilac, pretty standard lilac color, and that's what that one looks like. Next is R1064, more of a darker pink compared to the first one. They look kind of similar, but this one's more of like a hot pink. That one's more of like a Barbie pink. And this one, which is more my favorite one, R1053. It's just like a nice blue, like baby blue. Love that. And then the last one is a nice kind of glittery one. It's very, very, very sparkly. I love the sparkles in this. So pretty. Like, look at that. Holographic, different chunks. I mean, different sizes. So some finer, some chunkier. And that's that one. And I'm just gonna show you those up close really quick. That's what they look like. Look at that last one, it's so nice, like the sparkle and that is just so amazing. So that's that. Okay, so now that I've swatched all of those, I'm gonna be using my flexi hand today. This is the one I have. Sorry, there's like glitter and everything all over this. I've been filming and I have so much more to film, so I'm just trying to get all my filming done today. And these are the tips that I'm using. Got these from Amazon, they're amazing. Like I said in my other video, and I will link them down below. So I think I remember what their sizes are. So for these two fingers is a 5. Yeah, these two are a 5. And then the middle is usually a, what is this one, a 4? Yeah, a 4. And then the thumb is a number 2. No, it is a number 2, and then the last one is a 7. That's 8. This one's 7. Okay, so that's all of those fitted, good to go. That's what they look like. I think this is the length I'm gonna do today. Nothing too crazy. I'm just gonna zoom you guys in a bit, and this is what we are working with today. I did get this flexi hand from Flexifinger. I also bought out some of my like cute stars and flowers and moons. as well as these like really chunky pieces of like rhinestone. So I actually want to do like a really weird kind of combo. I want to do like this pink with this blue. For some reason, I don't know why, but let's just go with it and see how that goes. So that's this one and this one, and we'll see if we'll add any of the sparkly one in it at the end. So I'm just going to start off by painting the pointer finger, and as you can see, these gels are quite pigmented. You could probably get away with just using one coat of this. Very, very nice and pigmented. You don't feel cheap quality at all. They feel nice and thick, not too thick, but not so thin that they just as you stroke, the color just pulls away from the nail. So as you can see, I'm just going to leave that as one coat because I feel like one coat is all it needs. And before I put that in to dry, I'm going to stick on some of these cute kind of glitters, I guess. Glitters. So I actually want to do some stars today. So I got these off AliExpress. I will link them down below. And what I do to take them out is I just do this, and then I just go ahead and stick them on. These are just so cute. I'm going to stick with the that was so easy. Like, that didn't even take me 10 seconds. Okay, so that's that one. And for this one, I want to run some of the glitter through. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my liner brush. I'm just gonna put some on the brush itself, just because I only want to see what it will be like. I'm just gonna run some of that glitter right through that. Ooh, that's nice. so for this next finger, I've put down the I want to do a bit of color blocking with these two and then outline with those. I want to see how that looks. So I'm just gonna go into that blue and I'm just gonna draw like some square. That was not a good line. I'm just gonna draw a square. I'm not very good at hand drawn art, but I'm trying. Yeah, and I just wanted to see, I wanted to incorporate more of the colors. Since there's quite a few, I thought let me just try and see how I can use those. So just gonna do some color blocking here. Let me know down below how good you are with your hand, like your freehand drawing, because I'm not very good myself. It's taken me quite a few months to practice that, but I'm getting there.
Let's go.
Okay, now I'm just gonna do that with the pink.
Wonder why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was told. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad sometimes? I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light.
Okay, so this is what it's like. I'm not sure if I should color in these blank spots with the blue. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I color it in? I think I kind of want to leave it. I feel like it looks kind of cool. I don't know. Let me know down below what you would do. Would you color that in or would you just leave it like that? I think that looks cool. I'm gonna use these hearts here because I've never used those before. I'm gonna try them out. So yeah, these are kind of messy, guys, so if you do buy stuff like this, I would probably recommend getting like a small container where you can just transfer these into. But these are really cute. I really like these and I'm glad I got them. They are very, very cute. Okay, and now I'm just gonna cure this one. And then for the last two fingers, I usually like to have them be the same. So what I'll do is I'll just paint it the pinky this color, and then I might incorporate some of that glitter into it somehow. Maybe do a bit of a glitter fade. And for this one, we do the other color. Sorry I didn't mention the colors I'm using, by the way. I'm using R106 and I'm using R105 for the main colors, which are really, really nice. I've never used colors like these before. I do own some, but those just like come in kits that I purchased, so but it doesn't mean I'll necessarily use them. So today I thought I would try this out. Sorry for my English. And yeah, so far liking it. Rosalind did a really good job with this gel formula. Like it feels really, really premium and it feels amazing. So it's definitely an improvement, because I don't know if you guys saw my last polygel review on their kit using dual forms, which I'll link down below, and the polygel was like super sticky and I just could not work with it, and it was just a mess. But anyway, I'm gonna cure these two as well now, and then I'll try see if I can do a bit of glitter fade. Okay, and then I'm just gonna use that glittery color called R109. Sorry, it's not focusing. Oh, I just got it. I literally just got that one here. Oh, okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna paint that on the top part of the nail. Wow, this is so nice. This is so nice. Do you guys see that? That is so nice. Really like that. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna concentrate this here for now. I think I might need some more. Oh no, I'm getting it everywhere because I'm being quick with it. Okay. I'll leave that like that for now, and then I'll do the same thing for this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get my liner brush, and I'm just gonna try to like create lines going down like this to kind of create a glitter fade or ombre or whatever you want to call it. And this is another really quick way to like fade glitter instead of having to like use a ombre brush. I have done a how to ombre video and I did not include this technique in there, but I probably should have, but it's because it works more for glitters rather than normal like solid colors. So I didn't really want to do that in that video. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna cure that for one last time, and I'm going to encapsulate in this polygel. Okay, so I've just pulled out my gel brush that came in the Roseland kit, and I'm going to start to encapsulate using the clear polygel. And I do have high hopes for this. I hope it's not as sticky as it was in the... Whoa. You guys see how clear that is? Wow. If this works out well, this is gonna be my new favorite color. That is so clear, like you can even see the stars so well. Okay, anyway. Please don't be too sticky like it was at the time. Oh no! Because when I pat it, it just moves too much. Okay, well, we'll keep trying it. Because I don't wanna... Oh no, it's too sticky. Well, I'll still try it and give it a go. Oh no, it's just too sticky. Why not working? Maybe if I do more of like this kind of thing, this motion, I don't know. Okay, how about I take all the extra stuff off, and instead of using it as a polygel, use it more of like a gel, like this. That works. Yeah, that works. Okay, so it's not a complete fail then, is it? I can just... Because it's so thin, I can use it like a gel. Okay, so that's good then. That works. Oh, I'm getting some of the product transferring onto here, so I'm just going to clean that side of the brush. Maybe that is how you're supposed to use these. Maybe, but it does say polygel on the bottle, so now I'm confused.
I forgive the pain you gave to me so long ago. Sleepless nights I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity
I also want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed, comment, liked, or even shared my video. It's really nice to know that the time I'm putting into my YouTube videos is paying off, but it's not about it just paying off. I do enjoy YouTube and doing nails regardless of anyone watching my videos or not. So yeah, a huge thank you to everyone there. Now I'm just gonna cure these, and these look amazing. I love how these came out. I do need to clean this side here. Okay, so I'm back from filing, and the nails might look a little bit dusty, but here's what they look like. And I'm just gonna top coat them with the Rosalind top coat that I got in the kit, and this is just a very tiny one. Create videos for you guys so that you guys enjoy watching them, and I definitely will always enjoy making them. So this is what the final nails look like. They came out so cute. I will link all the products that I've used down below, including this flexi hand here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.